In today's video, I will guide you on how you'd be able to get server tag on Discord. So let's get started. So basically what people are doing is that they are spamming and creating some servers here in Discord. Like for example here, add a server and then create my own. And basically you just need to repeat this until you get a server with the server boost, as you can see right here. Because when I go into my other servers that I have created for this video, as you can see, this one doesn't have a server boost. This one doesn't have one. This one has one, and this one doesn't have one. So there is some server that doesn't have it. There are some that has it. So you want to get a server that has a server boost right here. And that way you can click on that. And from here, you'd now be able to see the additional perks, and you want the server tags. So this is what you need to get your server tag in Discord. You can enable this for 3 boost, which is quite expensive right here. So you'd need to spend some money if you'd want to get this right here on your own. So you'd need a 3 server boost, which is this amount of money per month each. So this would be the subtotal, and click on continue if you'd want to pay for it to get that. After that is that once you have now gotten your server tag or server boost in here, you want to now go here into the server name and click on server settings. Now you want to go into server tag, and this is where you can customize your tags. As you can see, you can unlock this with boosting, which is this is the only way for you to get this on your own. And there are also some free ways or other ways that you can do this. Like some servers are actually offering that you join their server, and then from there you'd be able to join, and then you will be able to get their tags on that server. So that would be the other way, other than paying for this additional perk on your server boost on your own server. So yeah, this is basically it on how you can get your server tag in Discord. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.